Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from Mystic Krylix Co. This is Sugared Eclipse's products. She came out with some acrylics, some cuticle oil, and yes, I had to make a purchase. She did a live a few weeks ago. I believe it was a few weeks ago. And I missed the live. I was getting my kids and all that, but I did come into the live a little late and it was already sold out. So yeah, but she was able to go ahead and make me some 10-gram jars. She had enough to make some 10-gram jars, and I said, yes, of course, I don't care. I just want to try them. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and get this opened here. And look at this packaging. Oh my goodness. So this is a Halloween collection. And it is called the Hollow Candy Screams Halloween Collection. You get 6 acrylics. But first we're just going to go ahead and look at all the goodies that come in the package. This is her little packing slip here, and there's a thank you card on there. Very, very pretty. The hollow, I love it. Look at this bag, how adorable. And she did send a little card here. Thank you for shopping with Mystic Krylix. Thank you for choosing Mystic Krylix. And then she put a very nice card in here. Very, very nice. I went ahead and I just read it to myself off camera. I did show a little bit, but look at all that. Just amazing. She's so super sweet and amazing. So yes, we're going to go ahead and get into the goodies here. This bag is just absolutely adorable. So yes, when you do buy the 20-gram jars, you do get the sticker on top that has the name, and the sticker is so cute. I'll put a picture up here. But yeah, since she only had the 10-gram, which is fine. This is just a little care card here. It tells you to shake the powders so you have an even bead for application. And then some really cute stickers here. So yes, we're going to go ahead and take a look. Look at the stickers on here. Absolutely adorable. Let me get that cute little spoon there. I love it. So yeah, they don't have the names on them, but I did go ahead and look on the website here, but I'm going to go ahead and we're going to swatch those in a little bit and take a better look. I just want to get everything opened here, and this is such a cute box. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. How adorable. So yes, it says that there's some freebies in there. I love the little black crinkle paper, super cute. So this is the cuticle oil, and I did purchase that. That's not a freebie. I did actually purchase that, so we'll open that one last. But yeah, these are some other little goodies here, and we did get another spoon. I love those little spoons, they're so cute. So it looks like we have some foils here. And really good size. She gave me quite a bit of foils, which is nice. Really good size. We have like the Louis Vuitton, like a galaxy. We have a marble. All right, so now we're gonna see what's in this other bag here. And I could not believe when I saw these glitters, you guys. Something happened a couple weeks ago. I had these Halloween glitters in these type of grid little containers, and I was like organizing my drawer and it fell on the floor, and because the whole top comes off, if you look at it, the whole entire top comes off. Oh my gosh, all the glitter spilled all over the floor. So I picked up as much as I could, but oh my god, I'm so glad to have these, because yeah, that's just awesome. Just in time. I couldn't believe it. And then we're gonna see what's in here. Look at this beautiful glitter. Oh my god, look at that hollow. And there's little candy pieces, you guys. Oh my god, they're super cute. And I believe this is like the acrylic. It's just the glitter though, but she does have in her collection the hollow candy, I think it's called. And yeah, that's the glitter. So yeah, I'm so excited. And we have this super cute little candy little holder here. So cute. Look what's in here. We have little Halloween charms. We have some yellow, green, and purple little rhinestones. And then we have some AB crystals. They're super pretty. This is the Candy Screams Cuticle Oil. I'm so excited to smell this because I've seen other nail sisters unbox this and they said the smell is amazing. So I'm so excited to smell it. Look at the glitters in there. Look at the little skull. It's just, oh, it's super cute. Absolutely adorable. And yes, I just can't wait to smell it. And it does have the roller on top, roller ball. Yes, I couldn't believe the smell, you guys. It smells like sweet tarts to me. It's not really like overpowering. It's, oh, I don't know. I mean, I just kept smelling my hands. It smells so good and it's so nice. It's not super greasy. It's like perfect. Honestly, it's so good that I had my daughter smell it and I went right away and ordered the last 2 that she had on her website. I tried to order 3, but there wasn't enough. So yeah, I ordered the last 2 that she had because my daughter wanted one and I wanted another one. So yeah, that was the first swatch. I totally forgot to record. So yeah, that was the first swatch there, but they were so nice to work with. Very, very nice. So now I'm going to start showing the swatches. And this one is like the first one, but it's got little black glitters in it. And it's got the candy pieces and it's got hexagons. Super pretty. Oh, I just love it. And they were very nice to work with. Yes, this one is Candy Void. The first one that I swatched is Candy Screams. Yeah, I had to get the swatch sticks out here and look at the names. But yeah, Candy Void, very pretty. It has the little black glitters like I said. And I am using Zule's monomer. That's the only monomer that I use right now. But look at that, how pretty that is. And so this is the green one. This is Poison Farts. Super cute names. But yes, this green is just, oh, it's so pretty. It's got hexagons and then it's got fine glitters, but the hexagons are like matte. And I like that, something different. And like I said, very nice to work with. And then the orange one here is Reese's My Pieces, like Reese's, well I call them Reese's, I know some people call them Reese's, but Reese's My Pieces. Super cute orange. Like I said, it's got the matte glitters. And then we have the yellow one, and this is called Molicious. And then we have the last one here, which is purple, and it's called Witch's Breath. So I did go ahead when I ordered the 2 cuticle oils. I did order her new one that she came out with. It's a cover color, and it's called Opal Pink Cover Glow. I'll show it at the end, a picture of it, because I got my order. I did this video a little like a couple days ago, and I'm just now doing the voiceover and stuff. I've been kind of busy. But yeah, I ordered the cover color, so I'll show that at the end when I'm showing all, you know, everything after I top coat them and stuff, because it's really, really pretty. And then I saw that she has another one. I think it's a pink nude cover, so yeah, I gotta get that one too. So, but yeah, I'm really enjoying these acrylics. Are very, very nice to work with. All right, and these are all swatched here, and just with a top coat. I put Zule's top coat because it's super shiny. But yeah, look at this. This is Candy Void. And then Candy Screams. I want to do a candy set with this, super cute. And then Molicious. Reese's My Pieces. Poison Farts. And Witch's Breath. Super pretty. And look at the glow, you guys. Oh my goodness. So bright. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Look at the jars glowing. Like, oh my gosh. Absolutely gorgeous. So yes, this is everything that I got in my order. I'm so happy with it. Like I said, I'm going to show a picture of the cover color that I also got. And like I said, I did order the last 2 of these cuticle oils because they're absolutely amazing. And my daughter absolutely loved it too. So yeah, very, very happy with those. But yeah, she's going to have some Christmas items coming out soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to her, follow her on Instagram. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.